Inside this video, you're gonna see a live appointment setter call with a complete beginner that is learning appointment setting for the first time. And Papa Ethan, who, by the way, if you don't know me, I've managed sales teams doing $40,000 a month, personally cash collected over $700,000 as a remote closer, and worked at one of the top sales and recruiting companies globally. I was looking over his shoulder and giving him the exact advice that he needed to go from noob to pro. So if you're just learning appointment setting, this is the perfect video to watch. Let's dive right in.
Hello?
Hey, is this Joshua?
Yes. What am I on to?
Hey man, this is Albert calling from Clash of Closers. It says here you filled out an application to join our community a few days back. Does that ring a bell?
I think I was trying to focus on my tonality.
Yes.
I mean, dude, your enthusiasm is much better right away. Like, hey, this is Bob, whatever his name is, right? This is Albert with Clash of Closers. How you doing, man? Oh, I'm good. Da, 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 da. Awesome, man. Well, dude, the reason I'm calling is because blah, blah, and then you go into it, but like just kind of a quick, like, how you doing? How's the week going? What's up? Like that kind of thing always kind of helps in these situations instead of just going right into the thing. One note again, like your words. Are you still reading the script as you're on the call?
I just mostly follow the first initial part. I'm trying to listen to what the questions now. Like I base the questions off of the answer, and it's currently sounding a little scuffed because of that. But I mostly have it up just to have something to rely on.
Yeah, dude. I might just going forward, man, just take off the script and just keep your notes up. Like, are you taking notes right now as well on these calls, or are you just talking?
I'm pretty much just talking and having the script out. I think I should start taking notes. Yeah, I was thinking that too.
Yeah, so dude, just like the next call you take, remove the script and just have a blank page with notes so you can listen to what they're saying. Just you can kind of tell when someone's reading something when they like enunciate words too much, when they hit all the syllables. So one of the things you said was community, but you said it like with every syllable hitting it. You were like, I'm calling from the community. So like I'll go back so you can just really understand what I'm saying here.
Hey man, this is Albert calling from Clash of Closers. It says here you filled out an application to
Also,
join our
like
community
you
a few
can
days
by the way pause after you say your name and like the company name, right? Hey, it's Albert with Clash of Closers. How you doing, man? Right, let them respond, then come back. Yeah, so just real quick, the reason I'm calling is just because I saw you filled out an application. Just wanted to give you a quick ring to see, how you like the program or if you hopped in it yet. Oh, you
Yeah.
didn't? Oh, okay. Well, mind if I ask you a couple quick questions about your situation? Cool. Okay, let's hop in. So like just kind of leaving some space there, but
Here you filled out an application to join our community a few days back. Does that ring a bell?
Yes. Yeah, I can remember. Yeah, I did something like that.
Yeah,
What's
perfect.
good, man?
Yeah, how's your day going?
you also see like how asking how your day is going. I don't know, just out of order there. It just kind of felt
Yeah.
like a little like off. Like, okay, you're calling me to conduct some kind of survey and then you open on like how you're doing and I'm like, I'm good, I guess. You just
Yeah.
like because like dude, if you weren't reading the script right now, you were just going off the rip, you'd kind of just realize like, you just like when it's contextually like appropriate to say like how's your day going and how you doing and this sort of thing, and just where it sounds natural.
I'm doing great. How about you?
I'm doing good, bro. Thanks for asking. I guess you weren't expecting my call, but just here to ask you a
Exactly.
few questions about what made you interested in joining the community. Typically, this is a process where we call everybody that reaches out and just want to get a sense of what's going on, where your goals are, and if it's a good fit, I'll give you access to our community, help put you in the right direction. It'll take about 4 to 8 minutes. So, does that sound good?
Okay,
Okay,
that
yeah,
makes
Albert, let's
sense.
just role play right now, man, because I just want to see how you are with like no script in hand, like just like you're talking to me, no script, no nothing. I just want you to like talk to me, ring me up,
Gotcha.
and just like reason you're calling is I filled out like a survey to join the program, but I didn't like buy anything, so you're just kind of calling to see, why I filled out the survey.
And what do I say exactly for the first line again? I completely forgot, to be honest.
Um, you just like you ask like just confirm if my name's Bob or whatever. Like, is this Bob? And then
Mm-hmm.
you let me know like who you are, and then you kind of let me know like why you're calling, right? And then you kind of go into like what it is that we're gonna do on this call. It's kind of like the why, the what, go into it. Yeah, it's kind of like your name, my name, why, what. Not to confuse you though, dude. I just want you to focus on just being completely just natural. Don't overthink it. Just talk to me. Try to be as like slang intensive, natural, cool as possible. Like you're just talking to me like we're friends.
It's kind of hard, honestly. Don't really talk to my friends on the phone, but I guess I'll try.
Yeah, just you're chill with it, man. Don't follow the script. Just be like chill with it. Just like you're calling up a homie.
Yeah, I'll try my best. I
Okay.
don't really call my friends up. They usually call me. I don't really answer any phones or anything like that. I mostly just keep things to myself. That's probably the reason why I'm struggling so hard too. Because like talking to other people on the phone is like not natural to me. I usually try to get off of it as quick as possible. So I guess that's the reason why it sounds so unnatural to me. Ring ring.
Hello, who's
Okay.
this?
Hey, is this Kenzo?
Yeah, what's up? Who's this?
It's Albert from Clash of Closers. What's going on, man?
I'm doing good. What's up?
Yeah, I'm just calling about the application form that you sent for Clash of Closers. It says here that oh, I'm kind of getting blank, to be honest.
Yeah, what's going on, man? What's
Yeah.
going on in your head?
Don't overthink it.
Yeah, I think I'm just getting
come up with
blank.
anything.
It says here you filled out an application to join the community a few days back. Does that ring a bell?
Oh yeah. I remember filling out a form, but I didn't really submit it. But yeah, like, what's up with that?
Oh, perfect. Well, I'm just here to ask you a few questions about what made you interested in joining the community. Typically, this is a process where we just ask people out and see how things are and see if it fits. So, just wondering if you had a minute or two.
Yeah, sure. So basically, yeah, I was watching Ethan's YouTube videos, and I was
Mm-hmm.
thinking, dude, this is interesting. I think it would be a good idea to be a sales rep as a job. So yeah, I just filled out a form. I thought, okay, why not, right? Then there you go. Kind of forgot about it. But yeah,
Yeah, we have a ton of those, honestly. And I guess I'm curious, what made you want to become a remote closer?
I still work remotely, but I'm really not happy with the pay that I'm getting currently.
Mm-hmm.
So I thought, if I become a
Well,
sales rep, high ticket sales rep or tech sales rep, whatever, something like that, I might earn more. At the same
mm-hmm.
time, I can have, location freedom, whatever. So yeah, that's
Gotcha.
that.
Well, what do you do for work now?
I work at an AI agency company,
Mm-hmm.
doing some prompting as a prompt engineer. So yeah,
Pause it right there, dude. Dude, you still better than the recording. I'll tell you that, man. Like the intro was better, it was more casual, but then
yeah.
you started going back into the exact kind of
Yeah.
verbiage, questions, exact framework again. And so, dude, you just gotta listen because even in Kenzo's last saying, he said he was unhappy with his work now or unhappy with his pay. He used the word unhappy. Dude, you could have just interrupted him and be like, wait, like unhappy? Like what exactly, are you unhappy about? And then he's gonna be like, oh, this, and that. You're gonna be like, oh, I understand why you want to leave your fucking job now, right?
Yeah.
Let's talk more about that. What else don't you like about it?
Gotcha.
Right? You know the script, dude. You've read the script. I would like on your next couple calls, just try to ditch the script and maybe on like a piece of paper, have like the call flow written down so you're just supposed to do like the whole
Exactly.
rapport, then the frame and the current. So you know that, but just like keep it broad, but forget the actual questions, man. I think you just got to get out of your head with this. And boom, did you like that? Did you? Well, guess what? You can get tons more advice, trainings, and coachings exactly like that by clicking the first link down below where we will personally teach you how to land a gig as an appointment setter in under 30 days, making you $6,000 to $12,000 a month. That's right. Catch you later, guys. Thank you for watching the video.
We're here in Switzerland.